Hi, good afternoon. I am Jayant Khera, Regional Vice President for DyStar South Asia, and we have joined Bharat Tex for the first time this year, and so far it's been a pleasant experience. As you all know, DyStar is a global brand in dyes and auxiliaries with the branches and sites all across the globe. And as you can see from the posters all around us, we are highly committed to sustainability, and we make sure that we are going to make the earth a cleaner, a better, and of course a much more colorful place to live in without compromising on any of the sustainability requirements uh, across all platforms. Of late, we have been working extensively on our Cadira modules. Cadira modules are those modules which have a very high focus on sustainability, and we ensure that the fabrics, the apparels, the workwear, the uniforms, everything that you wear are absolutely safe and absolutely sustainable. In the future also, we strive to continue in the same way, and we hope to make this world much more colorful and an extremely good place to be in. Thank you.